talk to you? Why did you walk up to us to talk to you? We were minding
I
our own
hate
business.
you fucking Indians. That's why. Oh, these fucking Indians. They come to America because they want a better life.
Yes,
but they're obviously not living the great life in India.
You are the one who's racist. Why do you make comments like that?
You come from our country and you want
You just said you're
free.
Mexican. How does that make sense?
I'm a Mexican American. I was born
What
here.
makes you think that we are not
Were you
Americans?
born here? Were you
What
born
makes
here?
you think that we are
Because
not?
of the way you speak. Because I'm a
I'm not
Mexican American,
But I'm not
I
speaking
speak
to you.
English.
You're the one who came and talked to me. I'm talking with my friends.
Like everywhere I fucking go, you Indians are fucking everywhere. If life was so great in India, why the fuck are y'all here? Turn your fucking camera off. I'm happy to talk.
We are
Turn it
Indians
off.
and she's
No, why should I turn it off? You're the one who came and talked to me.
I'm Mexican. I'm Mexican. And I paid my fucking way here.
What? Why would you come and talk to us and make a racist
Turn
comment?
the camera off.
Don't
I'm not
touch
gonna
me.
fucking
Don't
talk
touch
to
me.
you. I'm
You
not
don't
gonna
touch me.
talk to you.
Oh my God, guys, record. She's hitting me. She's hitting me. Oh my God.
She's
Oh my
hitting me.
God.
Oh, she's hitting me. She's hitting me. You too, bitch.
Shut up.
Turn the fucking
Do not.
camera
I didn't even
off.
talk to
Don't
you.
fucking break your
I did
phone.
not talk to you. Do not
Turn the fucking camera off.
go back to your car.
I am.
Go back to your car.
Fucking camera off.
Don't go back to your car.
Turn the fucking camera off.
Go back to your car.
Don't tell me what to fucking do, bitch.
Don't tell me to do what.
Turn the fucking phone off. Are
Just
you with
shut.
them?
Just shut up.
You shut up.
You shut up.
I'm gonna fucking blow your fucking You better turn that goddamn phone off, or I swear to God, I'll fucking shoot your ass.
I did not talk to you.
Turn it
Do
off.
not.
Turn it off.